Oh yeah man, salibonani. Welcome to Zim Reality ITV. My name is DJ Sparks. Mbabu pana pandoku pakure mtakunanzo ezinenge chitika matiu mana ose enyika pandoku pa mtakunanzo ezinenge chitika kwe munyika ye Zimbabwe nyandine yapana hapa ndea Prophet Passion Java na Apostle T Chiwenga. Chakuplay ma audio yacho, ma video jonji nawo pana hapa. Chakuplay ma vamantu ma comment pa subject ma inzgo ose nyai ndezve kuvenga ana yeka ndezve kutsiura ndezve kuita seko izvi zvikuitika panapa. Saka ndonyanga nayo. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, your channel, Zim Reality ITV. Ndikusira nyaya yacho ikuitika.
He can't joke.
Yes.
When Jesus died on the cross, it was not a movie, it was real.
Yes.
Jesus suffered in real life,
Yes.
in real time.
Yes.
He suffered so that people may come to church to hear a gospel that nurtures their spirits in the faith. Jesus did not die so that people could turn the house of God into a comedy theater. No. You cannot turn the house of God into a movie house.
Yes.
You cannot turn the house of God into a concert arena.
Yes.
That is highly contemptuous to the suffering of the Lord.
Oh, yes.
It's unacceptable.
Yes.
If there's anyone today who thinks what Java is doing is not a problem to God, that person is also deceived.
Yes.
He's deceived. If people were beaten by Jesus for selling in the church,
Yes.
how much more speaking in this gibberish, nonsensical tongues in the name of God? That boy has nothing that is in him from God. Nothing at all.
Yes.
Yes. Stop talking about God. Focus on your wind activities. Focus on your other noisy activities. Leave God alone.
Yes.
If you don't stop talking about God, we will not stop talking about you until you meet with your punishment.
Yes.
It will come. It will come. Those who have listened to me, they know. We don't just talk. And you remember when Daniel spoke to the king, he told the king, if you don't repent, you are going to run amok.
Yes.
You are going to run mad.
Yes.
The king said, never. It will never happen. And one day the king left the palace.